Introducing this 2000 BMW M5 Sedan with a clean Carfax and extremely low miles, only 68,000. It comes with a dealer service history, up-to-date emissions, and recent service valued at over $1,000, including a pre-delivery inspection, leak detection pump, ignition coils, fresh oil and filter change, valve cover gaskets, air filter, spark plugs, and cabin air filter. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle is backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, at the time of sale, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Want added peace of mind? Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty during the sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your confidence in this vehicle's quality. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today.